Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to edit your experience in EON-XR. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to replace models, update 360 images, and adjust objects inside your lesson. To begin editing, go to your Experience landing page. On the top left corner, click the Edit Experience button. This will open your experience in the editing mode, where you can make all the changes you need. As the experience loads, you'll see a lot happening on the screen. It might look a little complex with all these buttons and tools, but don't worry, we'll go through each of the basic ones step by step. One quick pro tip: the best way to really learn how to edit and create in EON-XR is by exploring it yourself. So, don't hesitate to experiment, try different features, and have fun while doing it. Alright, let's dive right into the lesson. Once the lesson has fully loaded, take a moment to let everything settle. Now, let's start by clicking on the question mark icon at the top right corner. This will display labels for all the buttons on your screen and help you understand what each one does. On the bottom right, you'll notice a plus icon. That's the Add button. When you click it, you'll see several options like Add Interactions, Add Models, Add Annotations, and Add Procedures. Adding annotations is a great way to make your lessons more immersive and informative by labeling different parts of your model. Just a quick tip: try not to add more than 2 models in a single lesson, as it can make the experience heavy and unstable. Now, let's replace our 3D model. As you can see, the current one doesn't really match our topic. Click on the model in the center, then tap the pencil icon below it. A window will pop up where you can search and select a new model from the XR library or Sketchfab. If you're using Sketchfab, make sure your account is linked to EON-XR. Once you've chosen your model, click Confirm, and it will replace the old one in just a few seconds. Now you'll see your new model loaded and ready to use. Now that we're replacing the 3D model, let's add some annotations to make it more interactive. To do this, click the Add Controls button at the bottom right, then select Add Annotations. Once we're in, simply click on the model to place an annotation. For example, I'll click on the keyboard and name it Keyboard. Then on the monitor bezel and name it Monitor Bezel. Annotations aren't just labels. They make your model more informative, precise, and educational. Plus, you can level them up with custom knowledge portals. Just click the plus icon on any annotation and you can embed photos, videos, URLs, or even PDFs. Easy, interactive, and super informative. Now, our 360 background looks a bit basic, right? Let's jazz it up. To change it, click the 3 dots on the top right, then select 360 Environment.
Please describe the 360 environment you want to create. Include details like the setting, mood, colors, objects, or specific features you'd like included.
From here, you've got 2 cool options. Hit Generate to create a background using your voice or a text prompt, or click Upload to drop in any 360 image from your computer. Easy, fun, and instantly more immersive. Wow, that 360 environment looks amazing. Now, let's talk about our AI chat box feature. See that small button labeled AI in the bottom left corner? That's your personal assistant for this lesson. You can chat with it, get instructions, or ask for help whenever you get stuck. Basically, it's your go-to guide. To unlock its full potential, click the 3 dots at the bottom, the hamburger menu. This opens a window where you'll see an option called EON Portal. Turn that on and suddenly your AI chat box can do almost anything. Just type or speak a prompt, like replace the 3D asset, change the 360 background, or update the knowledge portal, and it will handle it for you. Next, I'll show you how to use this to replace a knowledge portal topic. For example, switching from cybersecurity to DevOps. To do that, I'll click the keyboard button at the bottom of the AI chat window and give a voice prompt. Please update the topic from cybersecurity to DevOps. Then I'll just sit back and let the AI work its magic. And just like that, the topic has been updated from cybersecurity to DevOps, along with all its subtopics.
I have successfully changed the topic to DevOps and updated the title to Understanding DevOps. If there's anything else you'd like to adjust or add, feel free to let me know.
Wow, that was fast. Let's quickly check out the first 3 buttons on the right. The first is the Move button. Use it to move your 3D model along the X, Y, and Z axes. Next is Rotate, which lets you spin your model a full 360 degrees. And finally, the Scale button. You can zoom in or out to make your model bigger or smaller. Simple and powerful. Once you've finished editing your experience, it's time to save your lesson. Click the cross button at the top left and you'll see 2 options, cancel or save. Make sure to hit save to keep all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit experiences in EON-XR. Wishing you a fantastic day and happy learning.